butterfly pose. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees drop out wide. You may wish to sit higher on a folded blanket or two or more. There should be some sense of ease in the hips. Use your hands behind you to help lengthen the spine. We're trying to open the tight places in the hips, but without pain. You may wish to do this one leg at a time. Stretch one leg out straight, keep the other leg in. Turning the leg out like this is very good for our hip rotator muscles. Most of our day-to-day activity has the leg only moving in a forward, bending and flexing movement. This rotation of the femur bone out in the socket is very good for our hip rotators, keeping our hips safe and can prevent injury as we age. If you're doing just one leg at a time, change legs. Using your hands behind you, you can lift up and lengthen the spine up off of the femur bone, lift the pelvis up off the femur bone, and let gravity keep the leg back down. This will help to open in the hip. Keep breathing. Another breath or so here. And then stretch both legs out straight and give them a little shake, rattle, and roll.